He was very politically involved, very much, very, very much. Yiddish was persecuted there when I was younger because the regime, my father always blamed Ben-Gurion, who was the first prime minister. He always blamed Ben-Gurion for initiating and pushing the war against Yiddish because they wanted to have the new Israel with new language and all kinds of historical, Zionistic, political ambitions and directions, and Yiddish was banned. So he didn't even, I remember that he came home and he said that he doesn't, there was they used to call it Tzena here. Tzena was a period where there wasn't, the economy was, the first years the economy was very bad. So there were rations of food and you had to get some kind of like stamps, like food stamps from the government, and you could buy only so much on the free market. Only so many eggs per person per week, so many, I don't know, olives, etc. So at that time there was also a shortage of new paper to print paper. So first of all, the Yiddish paper didn't get any paper. No quota. So he had to buy paper in the black market. So I remember one time, I'm not sure, I think it was police, like plainclothes police or some other government officials who came and served him court order to come because he bought paper in the black market, etc. I think I remember that as a very young kid. So then they sued him. So he was very happy because he wanted to bring this to court. And then they banned his newspaper from appearing daily. So what he did, he created another newspaper together with Letzte Neues, Yiddische Zeitung. So every other day, the name of the newspaper was alternating from one name to another to bypass this ban of daily newspaper. And this took a few years, and until this punishment was over. So he was very, very politically involved, and he was a big warrior of Yiddish, to preserve Yiddish culture, Yiddish literature, etc. And he didn't like Ben-Gurion at all, I think, because of that, because of the fight against everything that was not totally Tzabar, totally Israeli, totally Hebrew. So that was difficult. Yeah. That was difficult for him.